How to use Huobi Peer-to-Peer Trading Platform. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the Trade tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select P2P Trading to access Huobi's peer-to-peer trading platform. Here you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users, providing flexible payment options and competitive price. To buy crypto, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Then browse through the list of available sellers, check their prices, payment methods, and trading limits, and select a seller that suits your needs. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the order. Follow the seller's payment instructions to complete the transaction securely. To sell crypto, tap on the Sell tab, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, and set your price and preferred payment method. Once a buyer accepts your offer, confirm receipt of payment and release the crypto to complete the trade. Always make sure to complete trades according to Huobi's safety guidelines to avoid fraud. Now you know how to use the Huobi peer-to-peer trading platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.